We are using salmon, but you can use many different types of fish. Just avoid flaky fish that easily break apart in a stew. This is a huge Kerala favorite, especially at Easter time. It is a feast like none other.
Our guests tonight don't like their food too spicy, so we are using a mild green chili mixture. But you can use regular green chilies here for a sharper taste. Next, we add about a dozen dried curry leaves and then crushed pepper followed by turmeric. We will also add a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. And finally, we add a cup of light coconut milk before we bring back the fish to boil for about 10 minutes. Before putting the top on the pan, don't forget we also need the tomatoes.
Now we reduce the heat and make sure it is not boiling. Add the regular coconut milk, a few more dried curry leaves, and a squeeze of lemon. Stir very carefully so you don't break the fish. This amazing fish molee is now ready to serve. Absolutely delicious.
Oh my goodness, Vikrant, the smell is wonderful. This is always my favorite Easter dish and recipe. To our guests, thank you so much for visiting Lass's Kitchen India. We hope you try this extraordinary dish at home and share it with your friends and family. We will see you soon again. Bye now.